Continuing with our geometric communication response here, and when we get to this line, shadow changes random.randint 38. So we're encountering this random.randint function this time, which is Python's tool for creating random integers between specified minimum and maximum values, perfect for realistic numerical variation in simulations. Random.randint 3, 8 generates a random whole number between 3 and 8 inclusive, so it could be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The syntax is random.randint open parentheses min value, max value, close parentheses, with inclusive bounds. This is different from random.uniform, which generates decimal numbers. Randint specifically creates integers, whole numbers without decimal places. This creates realistic countable quantities. When a 4D entity demonstrates geometric communication, it might produce 3 shadow changes, or 5, or 8, varying amounts that reflect different entity capabilities or interaction intensities. The range 3 to 8 represents reasonable variation, enough shadow changes to demonstrate 4D geometry manipulation, but not so many that it becomes overwhelming or unrealistic. Each geometric communication attempt produces a different whole number of observable changes, mirroring real 4D geometry, where entities demonstrate their dimensional nature through discrete, countable manifestations, just like how a tesseract moving through 3D space produces specific numbers of observable cross-section changes. Your geometric communication generates varying amounts of shadow manipulations. So if we think about it, this random randint function ensures each geometric communication feels unique and realistic. Sometimes entities produce fewer changes, maybe they're less energetic. Sometimes more, perhaps more eager to communicate. This creates that natural variation in 4D geometric demonstrations.